Hello guys, actually I have heard many people they say you can learn English by passing 1 month. मैंने ये सुना है कि अगर आप 1 महीने इंग्लिश को देते हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए तो आप फटाटेदार इंग्लिश बोलने लगेंगे। पर क्या ये सच में हो सकता है? एक्चुअली आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश more than 1 year, but I didn't say I am fluent English speaker. Still I am learning. I have to learn so many things. So how I can say you can learn English by passing 1 month, even 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. You can learn, you can speak English, but you cannot speak English fluently. Guys, speaking English or speaking fluent English, both are different things. If you can speak simple sentence, you can speak, you can articulate your thoughts, that is also called English. But speaking English fluently, that is called fluency. So in between have a big difference. So speaking English, yeah, you can speak, but you cannot become fluent English speaker just by passing 6 months also, because I have spent not only 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. I have spent 1 year. So I I cannot consider myself I am fluent English speaker. I'm still learning. So if you are a Hindi medium student, if you come from a village, so it will be difficult for you to learn English just by passing some months. You will take some time. Or for fluent English speaker, it must take some time, years. Okay, so you must have to give years, then you can speak English. If you don't have English environment, if you don't have any English surround yourself, if you are just like come from Hindi medium or in a village area. And especially if I talking about myself, actually I didn't learn English in my school life. I just some know about some knew about English language, about some grammar, but I didn't spoke. I could not speak English in my school life. Even I was unable to read book in front of my class teacher, in my uh, classmate, because I was very scared about making mistakes. So it was totally a lack of practice. That is why I could not speak, and it was my big mistake that that time I was never learned English, just because of I didn't aware about speaking English. But now I'm again starting to learn English language, and now my English journey, it has been completing 1 year, but I'm still learning. But yeah, I can say I little bit improved my English, but I have to learn so many things. I'm not considering myself I'm a fluent. I can articulate my things. I can articulate my things in a perfect manner with a little bit good way, or I can say I can say something whatever I want to explain. But for coming to fluent English speaker, we have to work hard, and we have to spend more time also, because it's a language, and we have to learn through mistakes. Some people, they are afraid about making mistakes. They are also having some misconception about English learning language, that we should first clear all the grammar, pronunciation, expression, idiom, or so many things, then we should start speaking. First we need to clear everything, be perfect, then we should start speaking. But what I want to share, actually, if you are trying to only be perfect, so that will not help you to become fluent even speak English language, because speaking needs only speaking practice. Whether you are making mistakes or not, it doesn't matter so much. What is the matter? What the matter, which is speaking. So speak aloud whatever comes in your mind, whatever have in your mind, speak aloud. So whatever you want to speak, you should speak aloud, and do practice a lot. And one thing I want to share, which is speaking practice, you must have to read any book or record yourself, then listen. Okay, so this way you can do your speaking practice. And initially you must have to read books. That will help you guys. Trust me, believe it, because I did a lot to speak English, and also I used to make videos for doing my speaking English practice. So that is why I want to suggest you also, if you are learning English, then you must have to do both things. First read and making videos. Whether you are uploading video on YouTube or not, it not so matters, because you must have to practice. Whether you are uploading video on YouTube or not, you can delete, you can upload in according to your interest. If you like to make channel, you can start, but if you don't like, never mind, just record yourself for doing speaking English practice. Okay. And some people, they want to speak English language, but they have fear of making mistakes. But I would say every people goes through mistakes, they learn through mistakes. So please don't consider your mistakes too much. You are making mistakes while speaking, while talking, whatever you are doing, don't consider your mistakes too much, because mistakes are the sign that you are improving yourself, that you are growing in your life. So mistakes are the teacher, not our enemy. It's considered a teacher. Okay. So you should do speaking practice, and never mind if someone make laugh at you, if someone mock at you, or say any negative things about your speaking English, about your personality, about your pronunciation. In initially everything, you should allow yourself to make mistakes, and let them say whatever they say about yourself, about your speaking. Because speaking journey, it's not a very easy task, it's a long journey, it's a big task to become fluent English speaker, because we come from Hindi medium, and in my case I don't have anything environment and anything, I don't have, trust me. But I'm learning English while making video, while recording myself, by doing self practice. So just believe in yourself, you can do it, and start learning English today onwards if you want to become fluent English speaker. So I hope guys you found this video little bit helpful for you, because in this video I have shared so many things that you must have to do improve your English speaking journey. Okay. And if you want to speak, then please speak aloud. That means you must have to speaking practice, and not only silently, you should use your mouth, speak aloud. And when you speak any wrong words, don't, never mind, don't think too much, just ignore them, try again and again. Okay guys, so you should try it and learn from your mistakes. And yeah guys, this is the nature, this is the beauty of nature. So I'm today recording my video in my garden, and I can say after a long time I'm recording my video here in my garden, because today has been raining a lot here in my village. So that is why in the day in afternoon I could not record my video, so that is why I'm recording my video this time. And you won't believe I'm recording this video after 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay. But I'm recording my video, and now in one hand I carry my son just for make my video, because I want to record my video in any condition. I don't want to break my consistency, and I also want to upload this video on YouTube channel. That is why, you know, it's a very big task to record my video with my son, because I don't know why he is silent right now. But when I comes to record my video, he always make noise and troubling me a lot. But this time I just said, please baby, don't make any noise, please. Then he just keep quiet, and now I'm recording my video freely without any noise. But yeah, it's a very big challenge. So see, here is my son, here is some plants. See, here is some plants, corns, and other plants. And you can see also over there one field with accumulated water behind the banana tree. Uh, See, why? Because it has been raining a lot today. That is why some water accumulated in the field. और do you know accumulated that means इकट्ठा होना, पानी इकट्ठा होना. So पानी इकट्ठा हो गया है तो हम बोलेंगे accumulated water. So same thing happened with our mind. We should do practice every single day, small. Then after passing some months, some year, we will feel some accumulated knowledge in our mind. Okay, so after passing some months, spending some months, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, you will feel my English is improving. So don't stop your learning journey. If you don't see any improvement in initially days, please don't stop and please go ahead and start speaking journey. So I hope you found this video little bit helpful for you. If it is, then please guys don't forget to do like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.